What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi! I'm not trying to steal his brand, but I love his mirror. Hey, it's Anjelo with a J. If you're new here, welcome to my life. And if you're not, then welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how I went from a 0 to maybe a 6.5. Today I'm going to do a flawless foundation routine, and this is the look. If you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos from me, subscribe down below so you won't miss any of it. And let's get on with the video.
I just want to say I'm not a makeup artist or an expert on makeup. I just love it and I love doing it, but I'm going to try my best. I'm going to show you how I do it, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. So here I am, barefaced on the internet. This is your first time seeing me barefaced. I am ugly as fuck. I have a lot of acne and acne marks. And why am I touching them? Ew. I've already moisturized my face, so we could get on to the flawless foundation routine. We're ugly, but we can do something about it. So the first product we're going to use is the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub in Watermelon Gum. I'm going to scrub this on my lips to take off the dead skin cells so that it's soft and plump. It's always what I do before anything else in my routine. And after, you can lick it off your lips and eat it. So you're basically eating your dead skin cells, but it's actually delicious. Not your dead skin cells, but the sugar scrub. So let's move on to the next step. So the next step is primer. I'm using the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. This product was recommended to me by the queen herself, with the king himself, Jeffree Star. Ever since that day, I've been using this and it's been great. It moisturizes my skin so much and it just makes my foundation look amazing. I don't know what it is, but every time I wear this, like, people tell me or people compliment me that my skin looks amazing, that my foundation looks amazing, and it just moisturizes your skin very well, that it makes your foundation lay on top so smoothly and so amazingly. I'm just gonna apply that on my face. I'm gonna rub it on my face. Actually, really rub it on my face, which is bad. That's why my face is looking red. So don't do that. Be gentle to your skin when you apply it. Look up how red my face is. You don't want that. But yes, we're ready for the next step. My skin is prepped and primed. Now let's get on to the next step of this routine. The next product is the Bye Bye Redness by IT Cosmetics. This to me is a magic product. It diminishes my redness like no other product, not like the usual green corrector that people use. I don't know what's in it, I don't know the technology behind it, I haven't researched it yet, but it's just amazing. It diminishes all the acne marks that I have, so I just spot conceal and pat it on. Then blend it with the beauty blender a little bit, and that's it. It gets rid of the redness on my face and it gets rid of the acne marks on my face. Amazing. So the next step in my routine is the foundation. It's the COVERGIRL Outlast All Day Stay Foundation. I love this foundation. I've used this since I was in first year of college, and it's been working for me ever since. And it's a 3-in-1 foundation. It's a primer, foundation, and concealer at the same time, so you get bang for your buck. And I just dot it on my face and blend it with my beauty blender. And I blend and blend and blend it with a beauty blender. And blend it down your neck because you don't want to look like one of the Jabberwockies or an Oompa Loompa. Or better yet, find your right shade and use that. And that's it for my flawless foundation routine. Just kidding. I need to set this down because I am oily. And now I'm just fanning my face to let it dry down, and I'm going to set this with my powders. Powders with an S. So before that, the next product is the BLK Cosmetics Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Gorgeous Matte Brown. I'm just going to put a little dot on each eyelid and spread it out to just put some color on my eyes, and that's it. And I put that because naturally my eyelids are brown, so that makes me look more natural. To provide a little bit more coverage and to keep myself matte, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Duo Matte Pressed Powder. This powder keeps me matte all day, and I just pack it on my face, all around my face and neck. And that's it. And we're moving on to the next product. The next thing is to set all this down. It is the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in the shade Translucent Extra Coverage. I'm just using a powder puff to spread it all over my face. I am not doing it in specific amounts. I'm just packing it all on my face. And don't worry if it looks powdery. I am going to do something about that in the end. So now, since I packed on a lot of that powder, I am gonna tap off and brush off the excess powder that's on my face to reduce the powderiness. To bring back some life to my face, I am going to use the Hoola Light by Benefit to bronze up my face, and this shade is perfect for me because it's a light version of the Hoola and I am pale, so this is perfect for me. I'm using the number 3 technique on my face that people recommend to beginners, and I'm still using it till today. As you can see, it brought back dimension to my face. The other side is pale and the other side has life to it. Yes. And now I'm doing it on the other side to just bronze up the other side as well. And yes, blending. My face looks weird when I do that. And I'm putting some on my jaw as well to make me look thinner. I guess it makes me look thinner, I think. So I'm putting on whatever's left on the brush, and that's it for the bronzer. It brought back life to my face and some color to my face. Yes, queen. The next product is another powder. It's the Infallible 24-Hour Powder Foundation from L'Oreal. But this one, I'm only going to use it on my neck because this shade is the lightest shade they have, and this is the lightest shade of powder that I have, so I use this on my neck because my neck doesn't match my face. My neck is darker than my face, so I'm just trying to match my neck to my face. Going back to my lips, I'm gonna use this Labello Original Lip Balm. Sorry if it's out of focus. And I'm just gonna spread it on my lips as you would any lip balm. And there you go, kissable lips. Last but not least, my holy grail, the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I tried this years ago and I never looked back. I use this to set all of my makeup and for it to stay on my face all night, all day. And I pack on a lot of it to take off the powderiness that I was talking about a while back in the video. And I just fan it and let it dry. And then we're done! So there you go, this is the final look. This is my first ever tutorial, so please bear with me. Some of the bumps are kind of showing, but the redness is gone. You know, us acne prone people, you can hide the redness, but you can't hide the bumps. This is my go-to makeup whenever I film videos. I'll list the products down below so you can try them out too. And yes, that is it for this video. And yes, I do wear makeup, and yes, I'm a man. So if you don't like that, then bye.
So that's it for my flawless foundation routine. This is the look. If you like my videos, and if you like me, and if you like my content, subscribe down below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And follow me on all my social media platforms, because that's where I post in between videos. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, and that would be great, comment it down below. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.